So hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can add scrolling text in our video just like this. So I have a video, so just watch this video guys. As you can see at the bottom we have scrolling text. So how can we add this type of text to our video using Wondershare Filmora 9? So let's do. So let's open Wondershare Filmora first and then try to import the video. So I have this video over here. Let me drag this video to my timeline. As you can see what happened. Okay, as you can see right now this video doesn't have any scrolling text in it. So let me add some titles text and simply drag it, double click on it and then go to advanced. I simply select this text, then delete this by delete key, and then I click here, which is the add shape button, and here we have some shapes, so I'm choosing this one. Let me resize it. I click on this text here and select all and delete. Let's change the color of the box to white. Simply customize and then here to orange to white. Drag this box down and let's add the text which we want to scroll. So I have already copied some text. Okay, so I need to copy the text. Okay, just wait. Let's see. I had to copy some text. So let me copy this text and simply paste here. Let's change the text style by going to preset, and I'm using the text style 1. So this is a simple text style. Let's change the text color, going to customize, text field and then color to black. Drag it down. Let's change the font also. I'm using Gotham Book, this font. Change the font size to 20 something, I guess. Yeah. So now we have to adjust this. Let me adjust this. Okay, it is looking good. It is looking good. Yeah. Now add the sliding animation to our text. Simply select the text, go to animation, and then we have this left roll. If you want your text to go from right to left, then select this effect where it is, this right roll. Or if you want your text to come from left to right, then select this left roll. I'm selecting the left one right now. I simply double click on it and it has applied. Click OK and boom. Let's extend it and let's play our video. So as you can see, this is how you can add scrolling text to your video and make your video more informative and more attractive to your clients, to your viewers. So try this out, import a video, try to add some scrolling text, maybe some left to right, maybe some right to left scrolling text. So try this out and I will see you in our next video.